Today, we're assembling a custom electrical distribution board for a client in Yangzhou City, Jiangsu Province. This is a 201 stainless steel indoor wall-mounted enclosure. The dimensions of this box are 500 by 800 by 200 millimeters. Per the customer's request, we're installing the internal components. The main circuit breaker is a 3-pole 3P100 amp unit. Next, we have the secondary branch breakers. These are 2-pole 2P32 amp units. For protection, we're adding 12 2-pole 2P40 amp leakage circuit breakers RCCB, and 1 2-pole 2P25 amp leakage protector. First, we securely mount the DIN rails to the backplate. Then, we begin the primary wiring, connecting the main 100 amp breaker to the distribution busbars. Now, we're routing the phase wires to each 32 amp and 40 amp breaker. It's crucial to keep the wiring neat and organized to ensure safety and easy maintenance later. Next, we connect the neutral and ground wires to their respective terminal blocks. Using high-quality copper lugs ensures a solid, low-resistance connection. After tightening every terminal screw with the power driver, we perform a final layout check. The panel is now ready for testing and installation on the customer's site. Professional results for a professional client. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more electrical builds. Moving on to the busbar installation, we use high-conductivity copper cone busbars to distribute power efficiently across the circuit breakers. to wire the control circuits. Each wire is stripped precisely and routed through the side channels for a clean, professional look.
Precision is key. We go through every single terminal again to ensure maximum contact and prevent any overheating issues in the future. Notice the color coding. We strictly follow the wiring standards to make future troubleshooting a breeze for any technician. The internal layout is now complete. Look at that organization, clean, safe, and built to last. Let's get the cover on. Now, we're installing the protective inner panel. This dead front ensures that no live parts are exposed, keeping the operator safe during daily use. Final step, labeling and identifying each circuit. Clear marking is what separates a professional build from an amateur one. And there it is, a fully custom, heavy-duty 100 distribution board. Everything is tight, organized, and built to industrial standards. Ready to be shipped to our client. If you enjoyed this build, hit that like button and subscribe for more professional electrical content. See you in the next one.